Well, hello everyone. My name is Ben Glass and I'm the creator and founder of Great Legal Marketing, a company that teaches lawyers across the United States how to do effective, ethical, and outside-the-box marketing. And on today's program, I have my good friend Bob Battle. Bob, welcome to the program.
Great to be here, Ben.
Bob's a traffic and DUI attorney in Richmond, Virginia, who's been a member of my mastermind group for a number of years. You've been around GLM for a while. I know that most DUI attorneys in our area seem to market on low price and things like that. Tell us a little bit about your practice and how it's different from most attorneys in your niche.
Well, really what I've been able to do through strategies that I've used in marketing positioning is that I don't worry about the people who are competing upon price, because I'm the guy who wrote the book. I'm viewed as people as the wise lawyer at the top of the mountain, and I've set my marketing up in such a way that people hope that I will take them on as clients, rather than most lawyers saying, you know, that I hope that this person hires me. And in this environment, this economy, it gets ridiculous. I mean, other lawyers are constantly willing to drop their shorts, or prices, to go to the lowest bidder, and I don't have to worry about that. I'm to the point where I do not do free in-office consultations. I charge a $400 consultation fee. I know I'm the most expensive lawyer in my market. That's exactly where I want to be. And I do not go to other places to meet with clients. And because of having a website that shows up, because I practiced for my first 15 years in Northern Virginia, and also because of getting some high-profile wins in cases, I get contacted from all over Virginia. But I have people regularly come to see me from Fairfax, Leesburg, Stafford, to drive several hours, pay me $400. And obviously, if someone goes through that procedure, they're going to hire you.
Now, I know it wasn't always that way. In fact, you were in that room one of the very first Great Legal Marketing seminars. There was probably 15 other lawyers, a couple other DUI traffic lawyers. What did the marketing look like then? And what do you think the big difference has been between you and some of the other lawyers who were in that room who probably are not charging $400 for an initial consultation today?
The marketing at that point looked pretty much like this. Imagine this is a phone. It's not ringing. I'm looking at the phone. It's still not ringing. I'm checking. Now I got a dial tone. It's not there. I mean, I engage in what I like to call RC marketing, random chance marketing. And then I started, the next thing is what most lawyers graduate to, is the MSMD marketing, which I've told you is monkey see, monkey do marketing.
That's right.
Other people have a yellow page ad, get the yellow page ads, see what they're doing. And by definition, that marketing is average. But the reality is, lawyers are so poor, by definition, when I compare to other type of marketing, it's subpar.
There were other lawyers in that room that day, though, and heard the exact same stuff, got the exact same materials. We followed some of them. Some aren't doing as well. Most of them are not doing as well as you are. What do you think the difference has been?
It's all implementation. It really is paying attention, and it's also a mindset. As you're looking for everything that's being said, obviously, at that meeting, you are focusing on marketing for personal injury lawyers.
Right.
And rather than saying, but my business is different, I'm a DUI traffic lawyer, I said, how can I apply this to what I'm doing? And I take that mindset not only with what I hear you talk about for personal injury lawyers, but any type of marketing, and really you just look at what are the best people doing in marketing, then say, how can I apply this to my business?
So you joined the Great Legal Marketing Mastermind Group right from the very beginning. You were there at that first meeting, and over the years, I know you've taken a lot of the other ideas you've heard in the room and implemented. You do a lot of online video marketing. Of course, you mentioned the book. You've got neat follow-up sequences. And so I asked you to come on to GLM, join us, and to be our coach for other lawyers who do DUI and traffic type cases around the country. And to my great joy, you accepted that invitation. Tell us a little bit about what lawyers who want to join Great Legal Marketing, have you as their niche coach, will experience.
Well, really what they get, as I talked about, the key before being implementation, probably the biggest lesson that people can take away is you don't need to reinvent the wheel. And really, I was the one who, through years and testing and you know, have you seen my books have changed, my videos have changed, the
Right.
look of my website has changed, the message has been tweaked over years. So what people are getting is the benefit of a marketing system that works. And me saying that it works, as you know, the people watching this may not realize, I've had a Virginia group for a couple of years now. So I know I've taken, you know, everybody in Virginia who has applied these principles and done things to results beyond their wildest dreams. I mean, one guy I spoke to last week, he was an associate in a tax law firm when he met me a couple of years ago. He was at the National DUI Conference for the National College of DUI Defense in Las Vegas. He wanted to be a traffic lawyer, talked to some other lawyers, joined my program. He now has 2 different offices in the state of Virginia. He's now started a separate marketing business that's related to that, which I've helped him on as well. And he even called me a couple of times and say, look, I have now made more money than I'd ever had in any part of my career, and it's through applying these principles.
So folks who join the program and enter into your niche are going to get monthly group calls with you. I know you've developed a DUI marketing manual that they'll get. Of course, they'll also get our Great Legal Marketing toolkit. They'll get monthly our newsletter, group calls with me. It's going to be very interesting and exciting. They'll have some access to you if they have questions about how to use the materials.
Yeah, they'll have tremendous access. As a matter of fact, I'm taking a personal interest. Anybody who signs up, I'm going to hold your feet to the fire, because I know from having taught marketing, and you have the exact same experience, the people who actually implement these things do well. The people who never take the shrink wrap, and we're going to give them great material, gold, A++ material, but the reality is if they don't read it, if they don't make time for the marketing, so I'm going to hold people and say, look, your book needs to be done by this date,
Right.
and we're going to stay on top of the
Some
folks.
accountability.
Yeah.
Well, look, this is terrific. Folks who may be interested in joining Great Legal Marketing in the DUI niche can go to GLM DUI Traffic. Bob, thanks for being on the program today.
Great to be here. Cheers.